Let me show you a practical example of applied integration. Risotto uses his stand Metallica in his fight with Doppio to remove the iron from his blood. If Doppio begins with 3 grams of iron in his bloodstream, and the rate of change of total iron is given below, find an equation for the amount of iron in Doppio's blood, and if his brain stops functioning when his total blood iron reaches 0.5 grams from hypoxia. How long would this take if Risotto is uninterrupted? We can start this question by using a substitution for the greater function that we can spot at the bottom of our equation. A useful way of spotting this is recognizing that the top of our function is actually the derivative of the bottom of our function, especially because we're dealing with exponentials, which makes it easier to see the substitution we have to use in order to integrate our expression. We can then differentiate to find the derivative of our substitution, and then change our integration from the complicated mess we're given into something more simple and easier to work with. Once we have integrated our expression, we can then use our initial condition to find the constant of integration, and we find our completed expression for the iron in grams. For part B, we can substitute our value of 0.5 grams into the expression we just derived, and rearrange the equation to find the time in seconds which Doppio's brain would shut down if Risotto wasn't gunned down by Naranj's stand.